Today we're replacing the Subaru Crosstrek cabin air filter. First, get your new filter ready and put on some gloves to avoid dirt and dust. Step 1. Open the glove box. Find the damper arm on the side and push it to the right to unlock it. Once the damper arm is unlocked, push the sides of the glove box inward. This will release the glove box. Next, you'll see the filter housing. There are 2 clips on the housing. Just squeeze them with your fingers to release it. After removing the AC housing cover, you'll notice the airflow direction indicator on it. Take out the old filter. This is like OMG or... Put in the new filter. Snap the AC housing cover back in place. Push the glove box up and slide the damper arm back to the left. And that's it. You're all done. Which car model should we review next? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe.